Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make century eggs, aka preserved duck eggs. Today I got a box of century eggs from my local Asian grocery store, and you can get these online as well. Thanks to the modern packaging, we can simply cut the plastic bags and get the eggs without peeling off the clay like the old times. Typically, you can notice some black dots on the eggshell, and they're totally normal for century eggs, and the eggs are safe to eat right after the shell is peeled. Tap the eggshell with a spoon to crack it evenly. To peel off the shell perfectly, I recommend cracking the shell as much as possible. Then start peeling from the bottom side of the egg. The shell should come off easily. The egg white is a dark brown color with a jelly-like texture, and it has a beautiful snowflake patterns on it. Use a knife to slice the egg in half, then slice it in half again. The egg yolk is creamy with a dark green color. Naturally, century egg has a strong smell, but don't worry, with the right sauce it will taste amazing. Then place the egg pieces on a plate in a circle. Now let's prepare the fresh ingredients. We will need cilantro, garlic, cayenne peppers, and jalapeno peppers. First, finely chop garlic. Then put it in a small mixing bowl. Chop the cayenne peppers into small pieces. Then add to the same bowl. Finely chop the jalapeno peppers. Add to the bowl. Lastly, finely chop cilantro and put aside for later use. Heat up 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to almost smoking. Pour in the bowl. The ingredients should sizzle and smell amazing. Mix the ingredients and the oil well. Then we will add light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Salt, a 1/4 teaspoon. Sesame oil, 1 teaspoon. And lastly, chili oil, 1 tablespoon. Recently, a lot of people are asking me about a good chili oil recipe, so I made some extra jars and they're linked below if you're interested in checking them out. Now the sauce is done. Let's add in the cilantro and mix everything together. Use a spoon to gently add a little sauce to each slice of the egg, then pour the rest of the sauce in the middle of the plate. Now the century egg salad is done. It is covered with an aromatic and flavorful sauce with spicy peppers, cilantro, and garlic. It is truly mouth-watering. This looks amazing and I can't wait to try it. Let's make sure the egg is covered with all the sauces. Ready? The preserved egg yolk is actually more flavorful than your regular eggs. You gotta try this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to comment and like my video and subscribe to my channel for more Sichuan recipes. I'll see you next time.